Hi everyone, it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today in this video we are going to talk about the English language. In India, the basic mentality is if you don't know English, you are not good in your job. You can't do things properly. You can't be success in your life. So let's beat this language. Believe me, it's just a language and we can learn it easily. See, even I'm not good in English. I have many of my friends who are masters in English and they are good in that particular subject, and they still find faults in my talking style. Grammatical mistakes are there and not good in fluency. It's fine. I'm improving, and that's how I want you guys to improve with me. Today I'm going to share what I'm doing to improve my English, and I hope it will work for you as well. When we talk about English, when we ask this question from anyone, how to improve our English, everybody is saying these 4 points. Maybe somebody is saying one, somebody is saying two, and maybe all the 4 points. These are reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Some people will say start reading. Some people will say start watching movies, listen to them. Some will say start writing. Some will say start speaking, and eventually you will learn. But isn't it so easy how people are saying average person like me can't do it? I can't be fluent in 72 hours. I can't be fluent in 1 week. So how I can? What is the practical thing to implement it? So let's discuss that. See, when we start doing that, what I am saying, do all the 4 things every day. But you need to set up a routine. So let's set up a routine together. I'll share my routine with you guys, what I'm doing to improve my English, and I want you guys to write the same, what routine suits you well. Maybe together we will find out a solution, we able to innovate, we able to find out something different with all the ideas together. So let's start. What I'm doing every day in the morning, I kept it for my writing schedule. As soon as I get up, I did with my routine only 5 minutes. For example, I'm getting up, this is my goal today. Maybe I need to shoot a video, maybe I need to sit with my son for his exams, or maybe I need to go and do some shoppings today. Everybody has a particular goal for that particular day. So what I do every day, I have a diary like this where I'll write my things. It's just a simple notebook, or you use any pen or pencil. What you need to do, just start writing what you are going to do in your day. And because in the morning we don't feel like to speak much, but believe me, you'll feel good when you start writing. That way you're able to plan your day, plus you're able to enhance your writing skill. So you need to write 1 page about your that particular day goal, and you use some new word, 1 or 2 word new word every day. You can Google it, synonyms of this word, and then you use every day 1 or 2 new words in that 5 or 10 minutes writing. I think is it possible? Even though if you are working women like me, you can manage it, because I'm able to manage it. 5 to 10 minutes only you need to spend on that. So it's done, sorted with the writing. Now we'll move to the reading. See, reading is something which people enjoy at different phase of time. Like I enjoy when I will travel. When I'm traveling to my workplace, what I'll do, I'll just carry any novel or maybe any book. If you like cooking, carry a book full of recipes. You are into fitness, carry a book with having fitness details. I like something like fiction, and also I will read books like that. So according to your interest, just carry a book. And in a day, whenever maybe you are eating your lunch, or maybe you are just sitting 5 minutes or 10 minutes at your workplace free, you can read that. You are having your coffee, you are traveling, whatever be the time, 5 to 10 minutes, just read 2 to 3 pages. And if you find any word which is something different or new, just Google it and find out this one. Believe me, this we are not doing it knowingly, but steadily, eventually you will learn things from this routine. Third thing, speaking. Okay, I reached home, now I'm eating my lunch, or maybe I'm just taking bath. Even while taking bath, just take any topic and start speaking. Maybe you are like angry on the auto rickshaw which you took today, or maybe like you are feeling happy about someone. Just say, start speaking about that person in English while you are taking bath or while you are cooking your lunch. Anytime, just start speaking about that person with yourself in English. Now we come to listening. At the night, when you go to finish with how your household chores, your day is like near to end, what you need to say, maybe half an hour or maybe 15 minutes, just watch any video of your interest in English. And if you want, if you able to, just write down one or two words which you learned today, or if you will not do, still it is beneficial for you. I know. Now, what is the next questioning coming in your mind? I know it's easy to say, but difficult to follow. Although these are just 5 minutes, but after 2 or 3 days, you'll start feeling boring about it. Now, what is the solution for that? See, I have this tracker. This is a tracker of 30 days. Every day I change it. I'm going to share the link in the description box also, and even if you know with the basic Excel, you can prepare it for according to your convenience. This is my tracker and you can use it if you like it. What I'll do, if I'm able to accomplish any task, I'll put yes for this, and if I'm not able to, I'll put no for this. See, this yes and no thing motivate me a lot. I maybe 2 or 3 days I'll do for my interest, and then maybe 1 week I still feel it boring, but to get a yes in my tracker, I will do it, and eventually it's a part of my routine and I start loving it. That's how it happened with me, and I am sure it will happen with you also. So use this tracker to motivate yourself. Other than that, I want to tell you one thing. This how things happen. A child who is 2 month old or 5 month old will not have any tracker, will not able to write any vocabulary word, will not have any Google or dictionary to write the meaning of those words. But eventually, he'll able to learn your basic language. That's how it's happening with us also. If you are spending 5 minutes, total 20 to 25 minutes on that particular language, eventually after 6 months or maximum by an year, you'll able to master over it. So try this thing. I've shared my schedule. You will post your ideas in the comment box how you will prepare your schedule and which schedule is working for you guys. I hope this video is useful for many people like me who are trying to learn English and getting mastery over it. So, if you like the video for whatsoever reason, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.